Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the 4-hour chart here for the all-time history, we're looking at an A, B, and a C to the upside. Your wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, and we're looking for a very massive correction toward the downside. It can be finished, of course, as 3 waves down here. Wave B, of course, after A, B, and you're looking to an impulse finish toward the downside as an A, B, and a C, probably, of course. In case you did not finish this ABC, you are looking here at a double 1, 2, probably as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And probably your wave C is extending here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So you're probably still looking for a wave 5 here where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What we are looking here is a very long range regarding your wave 2 as alternations. This is a very long time, right? But still, of course, can be a possibility. Now, what we see anyway after this, we saw, of course, a leading diagonal. So let me move to this count here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a leading diagonal, very nice, finishing wave 1, and then WXY here, where you have zigzag, flat, zigzag, of course, for a wave 2 here, probably. Now, we saw here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but the problem is, inside this area, this impulse, in case this is an impulse, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nice for a wave 1. A, B, and a C for a wave 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 interfering with your zone 1, which is not nice to see, right? And that if you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, well, here, this is your zone 1. But inside this impulse, you got intersection. Yeah, so with your zone 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Unless we have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow finished here in the top, and you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is also possible, guys. What I mean with this, let me put the labels here. So that is possibility, guys. Of course, I mean, it's very choppy, but still possible. So you have 1, 2 here, 1, 2, probably 3, like very high, very low, shallow 3, and 5. Look at the scenario here where you have your wave 1, your wave 4 did not reach your zone 1, right? Which is, yeah, very possible. And then you got a wave 5 kind of here internally, but it looks like, yeah, very choppy for me. So I cannot really say that this is a perfect impulse, right? I cannot really say. So here we go. This is your wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be. And then you got like kind of A, B, and a C. So this is your wave 5 here. And then you got A, B, and a C. Very choppy price. Yeah, very choppy price. Yesterday in the live stream, also we struggled a little bit with this choppy impulse, in case it is an impulse. What we got again after it is 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this is your wave 5 as well here, 3 here, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, as ending diagonal. Here we go. Now, if we got this, meaning that you have here 1, 2, and then this was your wave 3, and this is your wave 4, and this is your wave 5. If that is the case scenario, we can say this is a nice, still good impulse. Why? Because your wave 4 here did not invalidate your wave 1. Yeah, so basically I would say today, yeah, I mean, after diving in the micro analysis, of course, we didn't have so much time in the live stream, and we were struggling with it a little bit also because it's very choppy, and we had to move for other requests. But here we go. This is a nice impulse at the end. It can be a nice impulse. And we have another wave 2 here, meaning right now, if we take a look here, you have a bigger 1, 2, and then a smaller 1, 2 again. Yeah, so I would say this is a bigger 1, 2. Here we go. And now you have another 1, and then 2 here, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be your orange scenario, and it's going to be a little bit smaller here. So here we go. Yeah, this is what's going on. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Yeah, and reaching in this impulse, which is a very clear and nice impulse. This is what we would like to see. 1, 2, 3, 4. of course, your wave 4 here is very deep, and this is your wave 5. So we have, of course, almost very close to finish, guys. Very, very close to finish. And this might be, of course, your wave 5 to the upside. But as you can see, of course, I mean, yeah, we need still even to move inside it. So we have an impulse. Okay, this can be an impulse. A, B, C, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Yeah, but invalidation coming soon. Probably you're finishing here in an ending diagonal. Okay, very, very possible. You are finishing in an ending diagonal somehow as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. So possibilities right now, of course, still a little bit lower, but maybe moving again toward the downside for a second or triple 1-2s here. For the triple 1-2s for POPCAT. So this is a bullish scenario, guys. If we see, of course, lower prices anyway, we need it, of course, because we are in triple 1-2 probably here. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. And that's why, if you remember, I always mention on POPCAT, whatever it's going to happen in this area, it's going to be later, soon or later, bullish, right? Remember, we are very, very close to the blue zone here. Also the time, probably even getting one more low in case we are in 4 and a 5, in case this will transform to something like a zigzag, because you know you have impulse, correction, impulse as well. Very possible, guys. Something very choppy here is happening. We have to be careful. It can be bullish, it can be bearish. And therefore, I always say, whatever is going to happen here at the end, even if you take the low, it is bullish. Yeah? So as an investor, think about a nice strategy, of course, to take this trade, right? Meaning if you want to take it from here, it is possible with some percentage. If it drops down, you readjust and move to the upside. No financial advice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.